A lot of people in the public, or me when I first started this job, I had no clue what went into drinking water and making sure it was safe to drink. So what we do is we go to our different water treatment plants and we'll test for the pH, chlorine, coliform, which is a bacteria marker to let us know if there's anything wrong with the water. And we also test for iron and manganese.
On the operations side, we maintain the distribution system. So we maintain the water valves, hydrants, PRVs, control valves. We maintain the reservoirs, the wells, pump houses. We keep everything within standards and keep them well maintained. I love learning new processes, new things, understanding a water system more. And so far they've made it very clear that there is a lot to learn, and I'm picking up new things almost daily on different processes or different routine maintenance things that we have to accomplish. And every single time I feel I'm learning something more or I'm getting better at what I've already learned.
I love to see how things work, take things apart, put them back together. It's been really cool to learn the ins and outs of water. Why do we test the water? Why do we make sure it's clean? And then that gives a larger emphasis for me of, okay, this job is important. This job keeps the public health safe.
So you really understand how important our job is and how it affects the water system as a whole. Knowing the ins and outs and how everything functions within the distribution system really emphasizes our importance to the water system.